How are you? What is your name? Okay, Hannah, can you tell me the order of days? Friday. Okay. Can you tell me the order of month? January, May. Okay. What is the date today, Hannah? Saturday. 26. Okay. When when is your birthday, Hannah? Okay, very good. What is the 10th month of the year? Good. What is the day after Thursday? Friday. Okay. Hannah, can you tell me name of season? Okay. Next, name of weather. Rainy, cold. Okay. What is your favorite weather, Hannah? Okay. Hannah, what clothes in the summer? Shirt, skirt. Okay, good. What clothes in the winter? Jacket. Okay. What are you wearing now, Hannah? Today, I wear. Okay, good. Hannah, can you tell me name toys and games? Next games. Uh, Jump. What toys do you have, Hannah? Yeah. Okay. What is your favorite games? Okay. Next question, Hannah. Can you tell me example of outdoor activities? Swimming, biking. Okay. Next, tell me example of indoor activities. Okay. Next question, name of sport. Okay. What is your favorite sport, Hannah? Okay, let's see the picture, Hannah. Can you tell me part of the house? Door. Garage. Okay, very good. Next, what room is this, Hannah? Bed. Bedroom. Okay, let's bed. Okay. Where is the lamp, Hannah? The lamp is on the shelf. Okay. Where is the computer? computer is on the. Very good. Next, what room is this, Hannah? Living room. What is it? Sofa, guitar, lamp. Okay, where is the bag, Hannah? The bag is by the right. Okay, good. Where is the cat? Next, where's the painting? On the wall. Okay. Next, where is the guitar? It, one, very good. Next, what room is this? Kitchen. Okay, what is it? Stove and knife, fork. Okay. Where is the pen, Hannah? Stove. Okay. Where is the clock? On the wall. Where is the teapot? On the shelf. Okay, very good. Next, what room is this one now? Bathroom. What is this? Bathtub, mirror, toilet, shampoo. What is this? Okay, where is the toilet? Toilet is by the bathtub. Good. Where is the mirror? Mirror is on the. Okay. Where is the cat? The cat is on. Okay, very good. Next, can you tell me names of transportation? Car, bus, lorry, bus. Okay. How do you go to school, Hannah? Car. Can you tell me name of jobs? Doctor, police. Okay. What do you want to be in the future, Hannah? Next, name public places. Okay. A place to get on a train. Train? Okay, good. A place to get on a train. Train? Okay, good. What a place where we can see sunset and play sand. Next, a place to read and borrow books. A library. Very good. Thank you.